When we speak about the circular transition, we mainly talk about technologies, process routes, efficient recycling. But in fact, we're not only changing on how plastics are made, but we're also fundamentally changing on how plastic value is defined. Because a plastics feedstock, the consumed energy, provenance, and the origin become part of the product's identity and competitive edge, while none of that attributes are tangible on the physical product. While we are building one of the most advanced material industries when it comes to sharing material information, we still rely on disconnected PDF documents and spreadsheets, without any information point being connected to the next part in the value chain. Looking into the future, material markets will require multilateral contractual arrangements. Materials need to connect from suppliers to converters to recyclers to policymakers. And given that these contracts will be digitally first, the challenge that is really ahead of us is to digitize materials in order to capitalize trust. And that's exactly what we are providing with the digital material passport. It allows a material producer to share material information in a digital machine-readable format. Therefore, we built open standards on how we can structure plastic information. These standards are built on top of the existing processes of certificates of analysis, but of course already expand into the upcoming data requirements from regulatory frameworks. Each digital material passport is notarized. That means its content, its authenticity, the integrity of the data, and most important, its validity can be checked in any point of the supply chain without the need of a central intermediary. We made sure that a digital material passport is, yes, digital first, but still backs up also our existing process, which is mainly a PDF document. So we follow here the same principle as for currently the electronic invoice. It's a hybrid document. We actually use the PDF as a data carrier. That means no more scanning, no more manual typing, no more OCR. Each passport can be directly consumed by humans and by your existing software. The digital material passport is not a platform, it's a data object. Think of it like an invoice captures material value, a delivery note captures a delivery's quantity, and a DMP captures the material attributes and can be consumed in your existing enterprise software systems, from suppliers to market intermediaries to market supervisory boards and regulatory registries. At the K Fair 3 years ago, we introduced digital certificates of analysis as an open industry initiative together with BASF. Since then, the concept of digital passports has been widely adopted, from the steel, aluminum, to the chemical industry, under frameworks like the ESPR, the European Sustainable Product Regulation, the Construction Product Regulation, and others. Today, many companies rely already on S1SEVEN and the digital material passport to digitally enrich materials as a source for market and price differentiation. But the DMP is more. It forms the basis for a new kind of agreements between buyers and sellers, between the industry and the society, and between today and the future. When we digitize materials, we can monetize trust, and we can start to build the next generation operating model of material markets. I would be very happy to talk to you, either in a couple of minutes at the cafeteria in the back, or you reach out to us via this link. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Stefan.